weekend of duck season in South Dakota. We got a few pockets of birds in the area. They're feeding more so at night than in the morning. They've gotten pretty stale as of late. First time we found this pocket of birds. We're not quite sure their morning feeding patterns. We've only ever seen them last night. Could be really good, could be a bust, but that's a risky run hunting feeds in early October. We're legal, Sean. Give it 5 minutes. 1 minute. All right. I'll hold you to that. Go. Oh my goodness. That looked like a hen to me. There's a group coming right on us. Green. There's a couple in that bigger flock. The drake. Shoot him. Straight west. Kill greenhead. Oh, get him. That was quick. Kill greenheads. You got him. 3 shots, 3 dead birds. Yeah, just screwing around on top of us. Get that camera on. Kill green. Ow, dang, it took 3 shots for him. There was so much brown. Yeah, I think this is the one pretty-ish drake I saw. And then I thought I saw another one and I saw feathers come out of that one. And so I put my last one out. That's about as pretty as they get this time of year. Second week of duck season. We found these birds real late last night. Weren't even sure if they were going to feed this morning, but we came in here anyway and we shot a nice little pile of ducks. They came in early. Camera guy made us hold off for a bit, made us wait to get some good light to actually see these birds on film. Nonetheless, it was a great hunt.